DJI Mini 3 Pro Fly More Kit Plus. Overkill or absolute must-have? You ever get halfway through that perfect drone shot and bam, low battery warning ruins the moment? Or worse, you're trekking out to a shoot, juggling extra props, chargers, and cables like a clumsy octopus, only to realize you forgot your second battery. Yeah, we've all been there. Whether you're a seasoned creator or just vibing on your drone journey, gear stress kills the creative flow. Poor planning, janky accessories, zero power backup. It's a fast-track ticket to wasted time, fried nerves, and missed magic. Honestly, it makes you question why you even bothered getting a drone in the first place. And then there's the rush. Your window for perfect light is closing, your hands are freezing, and you've got one battery left to make it all happen. It's like a race against time with a ticking battery bar. There's no time to fumble for another pack or wait hours for a recharge. Every second of downtime costs you shots, ideas, and opportunities that don't come back. Meanwhile, your competition's already flying. You're left grounded, stressed out, and feeling like your drone setup is more barely functional than fly more. So yeah, you need backup, and you need it now. Meet the DJI Mini 3 Pro Fly More Kit Plus, the ultimate upgrade that transforms your drone from a quick toy into a serious sky-owning machine. This all-in-one kit includes 2 intelligent flight batteries, plus, that's up to 94 minutes of flight time total, a smart two-way charging hub that powers up to 3 units and works as a mobile charger, a slick shoulder bag that keeps your gear organized, plus spare propellers, screws, and a USB-C data cable. With each 47-minute battery, you can scout longer, shoot smoother, and stop mid-flight stress in its tracks. Whether you're chasing golden hour or mapping out epic landscapes, this kit keeps you flying. Users everywhere are calling it a game changer, and not just for convenience. Almost doubled my shoot time, said one traveler who ditched battery anxiety for good. Bag fits everything, no guesswork, just grab and go, raved a wedding shooter. With the Mini 3 Pro Fly More Kit Plus, you don't just fly more, you fly smarter. From cinematic aerial shots to dynamic FPV-style maneuvers, you're free to explore without battery limits or gear chaos. Reviews from DePreview, Hot Hardware, and Australian Photography agree. This kit makes the Mini 3 Pro feel like a pro-grade setup, not a compromise. Trust us, it's not extra, it's essential. But fair warning, these kits fly off the shelves faster than a tailwind-assisted takeoff. So if you're serious about drone content, don't wait. Buy now, secure yours today, and unlock the freedom to shoot whenever inspiration hits. Limited supply available, and trust us, they will sell out. Join thousands of creators, adventurers, and pros who already leveled up their game. More time in the air equals more magic in your footage. So stop flying on empty. Upgrade, fly further, create like never before. Your future footage will thank you.